Previously, we human beings, we thought that the world was flat. It was in 1577 when Sir Francis Drake sailed around the earth that he first time proved that the earth on which we live, it is spherical in shape. The Quran mentions 1400 years ago in Surah Naziat, chapter number 79, verse number 30. Wal arda ba'da zalika dhaha. And thereafter, we have made the earth egg-shaped. One of the meaning of daha is an expanse, and the earth is an expanse. The other meaning is derived from the Arabic word dhuya, which means an egg. And today we know the earth is not completely round like a ball. It is flattened from the pole. It is geospherical in shape. And if we analyze, the Arabic word dahaha doesn't refer to a normal egg. It specifically refers to the egg of an ostrich. And if we analyze, the egg of an ostrich is too geospherical in shape. Imagine, the glorious Quran 1400 years ago says that the earth is geospherical in shape.